The graph of the function f of x equals 1 over x is shown below. Find the equation and graph of the function g of x, which is a reflection of f of x in the x-axis, or I would maybe say over the x-axis. So if we think back to our reflections over the x-axis happen when we place a negative sign out in front of the function. And that is a very common transformation that we use all the time. We'll continue to use it throughout pre-calc, and it is something that should be memorized. One thing that I often think about, I'll think about the graph of y equals x squared, and then I think about what would happen if I put a negative sign in front. It's going to flip it. So that's that reflection over the x-axis. It's all about the negative sign. So if this is 1 over x, if we want g of x to reflect it over the x-axis, we're just going to put a negative sign out in front. So that is the equation part that it's asking for. And then for the graph, let me switch colors here. We're just going to show each part. So let's start on this side. If we think about folding our paper in half over the x-axis, if it flips over, it's going to look like this on that side. And this part, when it gets reflected over, it'll go like this. So the red line would be the graph of g of x.